Enjoy my GR Corolla.
So our engineers decided to get just a little crazy with yet another GR Corolla model, the third. Check this out. That's right. In addition to the core grade, in the launch year only circuit edition, there's this, I'm not quite sure what they were thinking, badass MORIZO Edition that was truly developed as a track car. We've gone through it and stripped out 100 pounds versus the circuit edition. You got forged wheels, carbon fiber roof. We even threw out the back seat. In fact, just to save a few more ounces, we also removed the rear door regulator, the rear speakers, and even the rear wiper. God bless you. And like the core and the circuit editions, its siblings, it delivers 300 horsepower. But to make the MORIZO Edition even more special, we bumped the torque up to 295 pound-feet, thanks to a close ratio transmission and differential. Other spec enhancements include 2 additional floor braces and 1 additional rear strut. Monotube shocks, 6 feet of additional structure adhesive, and wider, high grip, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Interior differences include black and red stitched Ultrasuede and leather throughout the cabin. And of course, it comes standard with the GR4 all-wheel drive system and dual limited slip differentials. You'll be able to get it in a wind chill pearl and also this exclusive matte gray. Now we're going to continue to make this unique MORIZO Edition after the launch year with only 200 ultra exclusive numbered units available for 2023.